Hello everyone, Unkeys here, back at it again with another video for you guys. Today we'll be comparing the Holy Bobas with the Boba U4Ts. The Holy Bobas are like Boba U4Ts, but uses a different stem. From the left here we have the Boba U4Ts, Holy Boba, Kailh Polia, and the Unholy Boba. Let's jump into some pros. It is thocky AF. If you're looking for a thocky tactile, this is a great place to start. In my opinion, the Holy Bobas are thockier than the Boba U4Ts. It costs pretty cheap right now, and it's comparable to the regular Boba U4Ts. Kailh Polias are half off right now on NovelKeys for 30 cents a switch. This is from their website. You can buy 110 for $33. Pair that up with the Boba housing and springs from Gazzew himself, and that comes out to about 41 cents a switch. As you can see here, we have the Kailh Polia stems, which are $33 for 110, and the U4T Thocky U4 tactile stems from Gazzew. They are pretty much the exact same price for the stems if you don't account for shipping. And then on the bottom you have the base, which is the bottom housing, for 25 cents, tops for 10 cents, and springs between 6 to 9 cents. If you total all those up and just buy the Boba housing and springs, it's about 41 cents a switch, plus the 30 cents from the Kailh Polias, and that totals up to about 71 cents. Which is pretty close to the Boba U4Ts, only about 6 cents more expensive. If the Polias are sold out and you can't get them from half off, you could also go to Drop and buy the Halo True or Halo Clears. They are the exact same stem as the Polias. You do have to build this yourself, and you can't buy it pre-assembled. It took me about 2 hours to take apart the Polias and do a stem swap. For myself and some others, the Polia stems can sometimes get stuck in the housing and only return halfway up. To mitigate this, you could use stronger springs to push back the stem. You could also switch the stems with a different Boba top. So, is it worth it? Well, it's all user preference, but I'll let the sound tests speak for themselves. Hey, thanks for tuning in. If this video was helpful and you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below which of these 4 switches you would put on your keyboard. Thanks. See you later.